Hello everyone. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Kenwood Chef XL Titanium. It's the top of the range kitchen machine from Kenwood, and it comes, as you can see, with a load of attachments. A thermal-resistant glass blender, a food mincer, a food processor, a citrus juicer, mini chopper, electronic scale, and of course it comes with the three basic mixing tools, as well as the creaming beater and the folding tool. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I got the machine out with all the attachments. So first I'm going to show you the main unit and the motor, and then we'll go through the attachments. So this is, as I said, the Chef XL Titanium, the top of the range of the Kenwood kitchen machines. It comes with a 1700 watt motor, which is the most powerful motor that Kenwood is offering. And it comes here, this is the on button, and it comes with 6 speeds. So you can use the speed that you need, and also it comes with a pulse mode, which is like a sudden and short burst of power. So let me show you the different speeds. So this is like the low speed, and now we're at 3, and this is the maximum speed. Also, there's a bulb illumination with a touch button here, so this also can come very useful. Also, you have 2 ports for attachments, one here in the back and another one in the front here. Also, the bowl is 6.7 liters. Of course, it's stainless steel, and it has also here the grading for different ingredients, and it comes with a locking mechanism. So if you want to lock it, just put it right here and just twist it, and it locks in place. Okay, now we're going to talk about the attachments. So as you can see, the main attachments come in stainless steel, so that's very good. It has a lifelong warranty. So this one is the K beater, and this one that you can use for dough, and this is the whisker, and also you have a spatula here, flexible spatula. You have here the folding tool and the cream beater with a flexible attachment, and you have here the food processor that comes with 5 different functions, different discs. You have the citrus juicer for citrus fruits, and you have the food mincer that comes with 3 screens for different size of mincing, as well as a sausage maker and a kabba maker for all the Lebanese food fans. Also, you have here the compact mill and chopper. It comes with 3 extra storage containers, all made of glass. And you have here the electronic scale. And I couldn't fit the blender, but you have also the glass thermal-resistant blender. You have also this very useful tool, which is the splash guard that you can install here so you don't splash all over the machine, as well as this port that you can use to add any components while the machine is working. And you have also another splash guard here that is protecting the machine from any food. So I got the blender out. This is the glass thermo-resistant blender which means that you can use it for both cold and hot ingredients. It comes, of course, with the cover. It's a bit heavy, actually, so you want to be careful when you're using it. Okay, guys, so that was it. That was the unboxing of the Chef XL Titanium. I just wanted to highlight one last thing. Kenwood offers 10 years international warranty on the motor of this one, and this doesn't come with any other Kenwood kitchen machine, as well as lifetime warranty on the 3 main mixing tools. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.